Let's begin by talking about the icons in the top left here. The first icon is going to be where people actually view your images. But when you're logged in, it's also how you edit your images. So let's click on that. And the first thing we can do is add a folder. So we'll click add a folder. And then we want to rename it. And all we have to do is just retype over what's already there. So I'm going to name this folder Awesome. And then I'll click the arrow. And then I have the ability to upload JPEGs or PNGs. So I'll click that, and I'm going to upload 10 images at once. Okay, now that we have our images uploaded, we can easily rearrange them from the grid. So this one was the first one, but I'm going to move it down here. And I want to take this one up to the first spot. And I'm actually going to get rid of this one. So I'll click the X. There, that's how I want my portfolio. And now let's look at the second icon. This is the contact information. And this is the way that people can find out how to get in touch with you. But when you're logged in, you have the ability to change that information. So the first thing you have to do is turn on, using the power button, what information you want people to see. So I definitely want them to see my name. So I'm going to put my name in here. And you don't have to hit save or anything. It just automatically saves when you're done typing. And then I'm also going to turn on Twitter. So let me type in my Twitter address. I'll do @get_Iconify. And I'll do my email. So Bronson @iconify.co. There, we'll start with those 3 pieces. So now when somebody sees my portfolio, they'll see my name, my email, and my Twitter, but they won't see my phone, my map, website, or Facebook, or anything else. So now we have our images uploaded in a folder. We have the contact information enabled and corrected. And then the third icon, the flame, is how you share your portfolio. But more than that, it's how other people share your portfolio. So when people visit your portfolio, with one click, they can share it to their Twitter account, Facebook, Tumblr, or their email. So this is the way that your portfolio can go viral. You share it in social media, they like it, and they share it as well. And then the last button informs users how to download your app if they're viewing it on a mobile phone or an iPad or something like that. Now let's go to the admin panel. You'll see the gear down here in the bottom left. And when you're logged in, you click on that and you can change your account settings. This is where you would do things like your username and your password, but it's also where you can set a custom URL. So if you have a domain name that you already own, you can come in here and type in that domain name. We'll try google.com and click Save Domain. And then it tells you what you need to do to make it so that it's linked with your Iconify account. Also, we have themes. So right now you can come in here and it's set to Massive Milkshake, but let's click on Japanese Jawbreaker. Now we can see a totally different theme to display your work, but I'm actually going to keep it on Massive Milkshake for now. You can also upload a background. So right now the default I have is a field. I actually want to make it more of a brand for me, so I'm going to upload a background of myself. And then I could also upload an app icon, but I'm going to leave it as it is for right now. After themes, we can look at the analytics. I just set up this account, so I've had 1 unique visitor, that's me, 31 page views, I've spent 27 minutes on the site. So here's all your stats, and as you use your portfolio and as other people look at it, you'll be able to see the activity. You can send us a support request, or you can log out. So we're going to go ahead and log out, and we're going to see what the world sees. This is the portfolio that I've just created. You can see my awesome folder with 11 images. We can see my contact information. And we could share it if we wanted to. So let's actually share it on Twitter. There, it's that easy. I just tweeted this portfolio to all my followers. And that's it. It's that easy to set up your Iconify portfolio.